Our suite of Estes shipping tools makes doing business with us even easier. Our Rate Quote tool seamlessly integrates with our bill of lading and pickup request tools for an intuitive, streamlined experience. Check out Quick Quote to get a rate quote fast, no dimensions required. Or toggle to our Rate Quote tool to add accessorials, dimensions, or other shipping details for superior quote accuracy. Use the search feature to easily find an account. Then, depending on the role you select, your address will auto-populate in either the origin or destination section. Simply add accessorials to your shipment by selecting from the most common options or using the search feature to quickly find what you're looking for. Our customers also love the commodity library, which allows them to save frequently used commodity details and then easily import them for future shipments. And if your shipment's class is based on density, simply enter its dimensions and weight and click Estimate My Class to receive an estimated freight class. Ready to ship? Make your service level selection. Then toggle on the option to instantly generate a BOL, pre-filled with all of your shipment information. You can also use your quote ID to come back later and create a BOL or schedule a pickup without having to re-enter your freight details. Want to experience it for yourself? Log into Estes or sign up for a free account today. At Estes, going the extra mile isn't just what we do, it's who we are.